Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just going to check see if my mic is on, and it is on. And today we have got a wish haul. This wish haul I've been meaning to do it for a few days now, but I've had work and other things, and if you can hear something, it's my cat is right behind me. She's going mad for this toy that I got off Wish, and I've had to keep it from her for a couple of days. But it's in my wish haul, and she's just here right now. She's probably going mad for it. But what it is I will show you the picture of it right now. It's that one there. It's a fish. Now then, it says that this is a creative. I'll show you the item because oops, got my haul here. So a little bit of it. I've opened all of the packages, so it makes it easier to show you on camera. So that is the one what she got, and it is a creative 3D fish shaped toy. So it's a simulation plush pet catnip fish pillow. Right, so that is what it is. This cost me £3 and £1.90 postage and packaging. So, and oh no, it was not, it was a free item, this one. And so yeah, £1.90 post P&P. So that was it. As you see, it does say free. So I'll just get, oh, my camera gonna focus on it, but it's got a cute picture, and that is what my cat, she does look like that one there, but really cute. Right, okay, so we're going to try with it. Bonnie, do you want this? Here, Bonnie. See if you like it. Bonnie. What is it? What is it? Oh, she's interested in it. What is it? Oh, it has a weird smell. Sort of like a lavender smell. I don't know if it's quite common, but it looks really like a fish. It's super soft. It really is quite nice. Oh, she's here. So that has drove her to it. Oh, she's gone. She's more interested actually in the packet than in the toy. Okay, so if I can get a little bit of a video of her playing with this, I will do, and pop it somewhere. And I will also tell you if this was good or bad, whatever. Oh, she's coming back again. And are you going to pop up here and play with it? She's looking really interested in it. So that's something that she's actually looking interested in it. Yeah, very interested it is. So I guess that is a win-win, but I'm not going to get her on camera. She doesn't want to come onto the camera. So I'm just going to pop this down, and let's just see what other items we have. Okay, so this is another free item that I got. And again, I will put it on the screen somewhere whether I thought this was good or bad. This is a dupe for Vichy, and it's free. And then I paid just the postage and packaging, of course. I'm just actually struggling to get into this. So there it is, there. In the focus, there. So what this is a SPF 50 UV Protect Cream. I'm just going to actually show you my cat because she is, there you go, she is playing with it. She is really enjoying that. Cream, and this is it. There it is. So it is the SPF 50. It's maximum protection, and it's, there goes my bag. really is like a quite a thickish sort of that sort of thing. I'm just actually wondering what my camera is doing. It smells exactly like a sun cream, but it's like super hydrating. Really is quite good. But I will use it for a couple of days and then I'll just put on the screen whether I thought it was good or poo. So there we go, and she's going crazy for that. She's still on playing with her cat toy, so I thought I'll get that out the way quickly so she is happy. And this is another free item, but I just paid shipping for it. It is the Vichy retinol, and I think retinol cream is you put it on a night. And so yeah, so that is the nighttime one. And again, I will show you what it's like. Just to take off this little silver tag. It's quite like a yellowish substance. So there it is. And retinol is just to, I think retinol is one that's supposed to lift and, yeah, you know, get rid of the fine lines. Well, wrinkles in my case, because I'm getting old. And we can't stop that. Well, we can prevent it a bit. Right, so this one is, I got this from Cute, which is another Wish app. But this is the hyaluronic acid. Again, it is just to get rid of the fine lines. And again, this was a free item. And I just paid shipping. So, okay, so that is that. There, can you see it? That one is very hydrating. It is very, very, very moisturising. It is the pure hyaluronic acid serum, and this is by Cosmetic Skincare. I think. Sorry about that. I just had to go off camera for a little while. But okay, so we were just on reviewing this, which is the hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, moving on to the next item, and she's just dropped her fish, so we're just going to give her that. And then the next item, this is like feeling a bit weird. This one is a little bit soft and I don't know what is in here. Oh, I know what this is. This is the Demigod. I got for my daughter, which is Stranger Things. So okay, I'm not going to open the packet because this is for a birthday present and she will be 23. So there it is. And there we go. So that is that one. Then the next item, what I got is a pair of socks. Because I'm into cats. I love cats at the minute. Not the minute. I love them all the time. I don't know why I said at the minute. Oh, sorry. There is my dogs again. Right, okay, so this is the socks, cat socks. They're really nice, very good material. As there we go, it's super stretchy, like they really can stretch. I do love this cat design on them. I'm just going to actually pop them on so you'll see the cat design. It's gorgeous. It's very, very pretty. And they are like super roomy. And there, I've got my whole hand in them. And of course, I will if I feel technical or something like that, because editing is a little bit of a nightmare for me. I'm not usually very good at it. But if I can, I will pop a picture of the item that's on Wish for these somewhere on the screen. It means that I'm going to have to get editing professional. Right, okay, so we have another little bottle. Oh, this one is the La Roche-Posay Hyalo Serum Vitamin C one. So there it is, and vitamin C is quite good for your skin. Well, it wouldn't be if I didn't buy it. That's the reason why I bought it, because it's good for your skin. It doesn't have any scent to it at all. So again, I will put a picture of it somewhere on my screen. And this is really very, very, very small. This one was a mistake. I ordered this in just not thinking of Chinese sizes. I thought of like the UK sizes, and that's what I thought of. And yeah, so it really was a bad idea, because when you order from Wish, you should always go up a couple of more sizes. So look at that. I mean, I'm just not going to get, it's probably going to get one booby in there, not two. No way. I'm a 3XL when it comes to Wish. And so I showed you that one. So yeah, so I'll get that one off the road. We're coming near to the end of this Wish haul. So yeah, there it is. There it is, the end. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!